Tesla has embraced AI technology to enhance the driving experience and take it to a whole new level. With an array of sensors, cameras, and sophisticated algorithms, Tesla's vehicles are constantly analyzing and learning from their surroundings, becoming smarter with each passing mile. But here's what's got us intrigued. Tesla suppliers have recently put in a whopping $7 million into an AI chip. Now you might be thinking, it's not the highest investment Tesla has made, why make a video on it? But trust me, there's more to this investment than meets the eye. Stick around as we unveil the real reason behind it all. Tesla's commitment to AI continues with its own technological advancements. It extends to their suppliers as well. These crucial partners significantly ensure that Tesla vehicles meet the highest quality, performance, and innovation standards. From advanced driver assistance systems that keep you to autopilot functionality that allows for semi-autonomous driving, Tesla has been harnessing the power of AI to create a truly remarkable driving experience. Tesla has always been driven by a relentless pursuit of excellence, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And the same goes for Delta Electronics, a Taiwanese supplier of power components for Apple and Tesla. They had the foresight to invest $7 million in Neuron, a startup company that develops semiconductors to give devices artificial intelligence capabilities by using edge compute. This impressive $7 million investment catapults Neuron's total financing to over $100 million, demonstrating the tremendous faith investors have in their vision. But that's not all. There's an intriguing take on this. As part of the deal, Neuron has also made an exciting acquisition. They're purchasing Vadix, a subsidiary of Delta Electronics Vivotech, for $10 million. It's a strategic move that beautifully aligns with Neuron's goals, expanding its reach into the booming smart car industry. Vadix is a leading provider of image signal processing that has been supplying cutting-edge system-on-a-chip solutions and intellectual property to manufacturers in the surveillance, consumer, and automotive sectors across the United States and China for years. And with the acquisition of Vadix, Neuron gains a talented team of executives who will lead their surveillance and security camera division. Together, they'll develop cutting-edge surveillance and automotive products, combining image signal processors with neural processing units for enhanced object detection and ensuring the safety of automated cars. You're probably wondering what all this has to do with Tesla, right? Same here. I'm just kidding. But Tesla is in need of a better, faster, and smarter AI chip, especially with recent incidents and legal challenges they've faced. They're determined to regain the trust and goodwill of the masses, and Neuron's AI chip seems to be their best option to empower Tesla vehicles with even greater intelligence. So, do you agree that Tesla is long overdue for a change, and that Neuron's AI chip seems to be its most likely option to empower Tesla vehicles, enabling them to navigate complex road conditions, make split-second decisions, and adapt to the ever-changing environment around them? Feel free to share your opinions in the comments and consider giving us a like. Our take on this is that this investment goes beyond Tesla alone. Imagine a world where traffic congestion is a thing of the past, where accidents become rare occurrences, and where our vehicles seamlessly communicate to optimize efficiency and safety. That's the vision that Tesla is working towards, and Neuron has what it takes to meet Tesla's demands. Its AI chip can help improve road safety by identifying accident hotspots or areas with high rates of speeding or other risky behaviors. With headquarters in San Diego and a talented development force in Taipei, this innovative startup has emerged as a formidable challenger to AI chip incumbents like Intel and Google. Their chips boast impressive low power consumption and enable data processing directly on the chips using their proprietary software. This departure from traditional cloud-centric solutions has caught the attention of investors and industry giants alike, as Tesla isn't the only company taking notice. Neuron has secured a star-studded lineup of heavyweight backers, including strategic investors like Foxconn, Qualcomm, Sequoia Capital, Alibaba, and Li Ka-shing's Horizons Ventures. It's a testament to their disruptive technology and vision. Neuron has been working tirelessly, designing chips for a wide range of scenarios, from manufacturing to smart homes, smartphones to robotics, surveillance and payments, and even autonomous driving. They've formed strategic partnerships with industry giants like Foxconn and Otis, a trusted supplier for Honda and Toyota. Albert Liu, the founder and CEO of Neuron, couldn't be more thrilled about this investment. He believes it will allow them to offer full-stack AI solutions alongside their already impressive class-leading neural processing units, NPUs. With this strategic move, Neuron's go-to-market strategy is set to reach new heights. Tesla and Neuron are set on creating a world where traffic congestion becomes a thing of the past, accidents become rare occurrences, and vehicles seamlessly communicate to optimize efficiency and safety. In order to achieve this, they need to revolutionize the automotive industry through the power of artificial intelligence. The $7 million investment in the AI chip might just be a call to action for the entire automotive industry. It's a rallying cry for other automotive giants to embrace the potential of AI-driven technologies and collaborate toward a future where intelligent mobility becomes the norm. Notably, the Delta Electronics investment comes at a time when the world is reeling from a semiconductors shortage, which has brought vehicle manufacturing plants to a slow grind. The chip shortage was due to strong demand and no supply. This goes back to COVID-19 lockdowns in the second quarter of 2020, when demand for work-from-home technology increased exponentially, and automakers found themselves competing for the semiconductor capacity in Asian foundries. Some chip shortages could remain through 2023 and into 2024, though the supply of semiconductors and raw materials will generally improve in the coming years. The Delta Electronics investment comes at a time when the world is still grappling with a semiconductor shortage, which has significantly affected vehicle manufacturing. And this investment matters because image signal processors, along with neural processing units, are used in the detection of objects, which aids in the safety of automated cars. So, my friends, the real reason why Tesla suppliers are investing $7 million in an AI chip goes beyond a simple transaction. As we stand on the cusp of a technological revolution, change becomes not just inevitable, but essential. Tesla is leading the charge in transforming the automotive industry, and this investment showcases its unwavering vision. That's it for today's video. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Your support helps us reach more people with our content. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.